Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install .NET framework in OpenSuse. So when you go to download .NET for OpenSuse, you will notice that it shows you the supported versions. So here, as you can see, there are two LTS versions, namely Core 3.1 and .NET 6. There is 7 which is in preview. I'm sure by the time you see this, it would be .NET 7.1 or so within the next stable cycle. However, LTS is long-term supported up to 24, so we'll go with that. So when you click on that, it should take you to the SDK download or runtime download options. So we are going to download the SDK. So in case of Linux, it shows package instructions. So we have to find OpenSuse specific instructions, and as you know, there is always going to be snap package that you can directly use within your terminal and install the .NET framework. But we are going through a longer route for installing .NET framework through some of the specific set of files. So here you see install .NET on OpenSuse. Right, so let's find out what are some of the files that we need. So first thing is this particular sudo zip install libcu, right? So paste it, then add your sudo password. It should start the okay, so it's already there. It seems like the package is installed, right? So what we'll do is we'll go for next command, sudo rpm, then go with this line, paste it, and find out what it does. So it's already added. Now go for wget for repo file, right? Copy it and paste. Now hit enter and it should be added, right? Now comes the part for moving that particular repo file, right? Now simply get the ownership, right? Once you get it, we will try and clear this, right? So type in clear. Now we have to check for SDK. Now for that, sudo zipper install .NET SDK 6.0. So if you're watching this in future, this could change to the next LTS version number, right? So simply paste this, right? After this, you will have to also install runtimes separately, right? So let's see, it is asking me to download, say yes. And in case of Linux, it is a big download with 469 or so worth of size, right? Then once you do that, make sure to go for ASP runtime and .NET. So we'll go with that as well. Okay, now that we have installed it, let's go with ASP net core runtime, right? So it should install the package. Okay, as it's part of our earlier package, there is nothing to do because we have downloaded the SDK. Let's just still confirm ASP.NET and .NET Runtime. Right now both of them are downloaded. What we'll do is we'll do some terminal restart, and then we will check our terminal for the command .NET -- version, and as you can see, it shows you 6.0.200. If you can see this, that means you have .NET installed. Now one more thing, if you don't want to go through all of this, you can also type in sudo snap install .NET. Okay, that should download the latest version, whatever it is. And if you want, if you can also specify the version with @ also, right? So you can try this if you want to do with faster route.